We all know that the Philippines lies on the Pacific Ring of Fire, home of several tectonic plate boundaries. Three of these tectonic encircle our country. These are the Philippine Plate, the Eurasian Plate, and the Indo-Australian Plate. There are five active fault lines in the Philippines: the Western Philippine Fault, the Eastern Philippine Fault, and the South of Mindanao Fault, and the Central Philippine Fault. And the most famous one, the Marikina Fault Valley, also known as the West Valley Fault. So for today's video, we will discuss about the famous one, the Marikina Fault Valley, also known as the West Valley Fault. The Marikina Fault Valley is the most significant historic zone in the Philippines, located just 10 km east of Manila City. Geological evidence tells us that the Marikina earthquake zone that ran almost north-south along the Marikina Valley from Bulacan to Cavite and Laguna, and almost exactly parallels of the route of C5 circumferential road around Metro Manila. The Marikina Fault Valley slipped every 200 to 400 years, delivering a magnitude of 6.0 to 7.0 with a maximum average of 7.5.
The big one, what it is?
The big one might happen anytime. It is a worst-case scenario of 7.2 magnitude earthquake from the West Valley Fault, a 100-kilometer fault that runs through 6 cities in Metro Manila and nearby provinces. A tsunami is also foreseen in this scenario, set by the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, or PhilVox. The big one could estimated kill of 34,000 in the Philippines.
When it will occur?
Earthquake is impossible to predict, but scientists can pin down what is called a recurrence interval, or the average time span between earthquake occurrences. For the West Valley Fault, 4 major earthquakes have been determined to have been taken place in the last 1,400 years. It has a occurrence interval of 400 to 500 years. The last major earthquake originating from the fault was recorded in 1658, or 357 years ago. This means it may be happen time soon, maybe in our lifetime.
Okay, let's have a grim picture when the big one strike.
Movement will start along the fault, several kilometers below the ground. It will move horizontally and will cause vibration or shaking. The study points a grim picture of people feeling a sudden jolt and then the shaking of the ground.
You fall to the ground, unable to keep standing. You hear a booming sound. You hear screams from people inside their homes. You hear breaking glasses. Telephone and power poles sway violently. Then the power goes off. In front of you, the village road is heaving, as if you are riding waves. The strong ground shaking goes on for 50 seconds. It is the longest 50 seconds of your life.
It tells of the panic and confusion that will follow of being cut off from the rest of the country and living in open spaces.
And now the vulnerabilities of the big one.
According to the Metropolitan Manila Earthquake Impact Reduction Study, a 7.2 magnitude earthquake from the West Valley Fault will result in a collapse of 170,000 residential houses and the death of 34,000 people, and another 114,000 will be injured, while 340,000 houses will be partly damaged. At least 7 bridges will fall off, while 10% of public buildings will be heavily damaged. 4,615 km of water distribution pipes will suffer, 4,000 points of breakage, 30 km worth of electronic cables will be cut off, and 95 km of communication cables will be disconnected. Cellular phone service will be congested and off use. People living in the buildings may be trapped inside elevator as electricity fails. 34,000 people projected to die within an hour of the earthquake. 90% will be killed from the pressure of collapsed structures. Most of them will initially survive, but will die if they are not immediately rescued. About 20,000 will be trapped or burned to death. The scenario, which is assumed to occur at night time, predicts that the fires will burn 1,710 hectares of land, claiming 18,000 lives. The ambulance will unable to get through the street, and bodies will be lined along the road. This serves as a great reminder of the need to be prepared and for the authorities to improve risk reduction and management system. And for the people, always be prepared and participate in all the drill for earthquake that happen in your maybe in your work or in your school.
I wanna hear you sing it. Hey, mama, don't stress your